Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mohammed. I'm here in Bogatanga. So today we are here to do an experiment of how we use cattle to plow. You see, a lot of people don't know how we do it. You just learn about the theory aspect in school that cattle can be used to plow, but we don't know how to do it. So today, Cletus, come around. So today I'm here with Cletus. You people, a lot of you know Cletus. So we are here. Those who have been watching my video, Cletus,
yeah.
Welcome back.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we have made a video before.
It's a long time.
Yeah, a lot of people know you. So here today we are here to do an experiment.
Plowing.
Yeah, how we use the animals to plow. We wanted to do much, but because there's no rain here in Boga, the land is dry, it will be difficult to do it. So we are just going to do few just for you guys to see how it is done. The reason why I want us to do this is when I was in school, we were learning about livestock, cattle, how we use cattle to the other purpose, not just about the milk and the meat. I made mention of to my teacher that we use cattle to plow, but it was hard for the teacher to explain how it is done. Though it was in the book, the theory aspect was there, but the practical aspect was a difficult thing to us. And we know we have been complaining about our education system, how it's all about theory and other things. So I'm glad you have given me this chance for us to contribute to our education. After a year, I can give it to the GES for them to distribute to other schools. When it gets to that point, you can just show the video to the people how it is done. Yeah, so thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
You're welcome.
Give your number out.
About the number?
Yeah,
give your number. 0540.
Okay.
582510.
Come again.
0540.
Okay.
582510.
Alright.
That's my number. The name is Cletus Atelive.
Okay. So guys, those who have been calling, his number is out now. No more this time. Right? Yeah. So let's get straight and see how it's going to be done.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, okay.
Bad one, okay.
Bad one, So they have to stand straight
and face you.
Oh, I'm talking of how you want.
Oh, okay. Learn how to stand it. Bahama.
Okay.
You're who wants it.
Okay, so they have to stand together for okay. Then on sert le bon on sert le faire. Okay, but explain Kalasma. Plate. Explain this place for me. Why?
Oh, the reason why we put this one on their neck.
Okay.
So that the two can move together.
All right. So what is the name of that one?
This one.
Yeah. Like I mean this thing. The wood.
The wood.
Yeah.
Yokes.
Okay, we call it yokes here.
Call it yokes here.
Okay. So we put it together.
We put it on their neck so
All
that
right.
they can move together.
Okay. I see. Okay, what's the next thing that we are here to do?
Let's put it before.
Okay.
Let's tie it before.
Okay, yeah. So you now need to tie it. Okay.
So that it will not remove.
Okay.
So lawyer get one.
Okay. Okay. I see. So you now need to tie it. Eh? Okay. I see. Are you also tying yours? Okay. Okay. It's early morning here, so they haven't eaten yet because that's why you can see their tiredness. Okay. So that one to have a long rope. That one is from the nose, eh?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And this one is for the hair.
What do you want to do? Venga, te digo, mira la. Que ponga en YouTube, ponga con algo for. Ahí era en el video de esto. Ir bon la call.
So that one is from the nose and the other one is from the head. Why?
The horns.
The rope. I'm talking of the
This
rope.
one?
Yeah.
The reason why you put this one on the horns, the nose,
Yeah.
because if the cow is a troublesome cow, you
Yeah.
have to put it on the nose.
Okay.
But if the cow have no problem, you just put it on the head.
I see.
That's the difference.
Okay. So now you are giving them a long rope.
Yeah.
I could see the long rope here.
This long rope, you use that, you use it and tie it.
Okay.
You join them together, like the way we join the rope.
Okay.
So I guess because of the one fast, we didn't feed them.
Okay.
So that's the reason why you see them like.
Yeah, they are hungry.
those ones.
Yeah, yeah. You see. You can see they are big, just that it's hunger. It's not anything.
The reason why we didn't even feed them much is that if we feed them much and they are to graze and they are to plow, if they plow small, they always become tired.
Okay.
So during plowing time, we don't overfeed them.
Okay.
So that's the reason why we always feed them less.
So they need to work hard.
They need to work hard.
Okay, so now you are joining the other rope.
To this one, so that the two all will be just one road.
Okay. Okay.
It's only one road to tie all the two.
I see. Wow.
And looking.
So guys, you can see the other rope is from the other side. All right. I see. Okay.
So that's it.
So they are now ready.
They are not ready to do the job.
Okay, so what is this one? Okay. So guys, you can see there is a chain,
Yeah, there's a key.
from the yoke to the machine. What's the name of this one?
We call it Kure.
Kunre, yeah, that's how you call it. I don't know how you call it in the English name, but that's how you call it here. So you can adjust it to how you want it.
Any way you want it.
Okay.
If you want it.
Okay. So he's going to be the leader.
This guy is going to be the leader.
All right. All right. So guys, you can see while they are moving, so you can see around how it looks like. Okay. So that's how we use cattle to plow here in my chocolates.
Yeah,
That's how you do it, right?
that's how you do it here.
Okay. You can see they are moving.
It's Upper East region.
Yeah, sure, sure. Upper East. Bolga.
Bolga.
That's what.
Zornga district.
Yeah. Zuarumusi.
Zornga.
Okay.
That's how we use cattle to do.
Oh, okay. So now they are turning, eh?
Yeah, turning.
Okay. So they are head and the nose one to show. Okay. So then this is the next stage. Okay. Whilst he's moving, you can see it's like we are making a bed right now.
Yeah, we are making a bed right now.
Okay. All right. So how is this business? This is another form of business,
This is
right?
another form of business.
Okay.
So during plowing season, those who don't have the cows,
Okay.
they always come to us so that we go and charge.
Okay.
Uh,
So how do you charge? Is it per an acre or
per
what?
an acre.
Okay.
So we charge an acre. If it depends on the way
10.
If it's hard.
Okay.
It depends on the way the place is. If the place is hard,
Eh.
we charge an acre 400 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
But if it's not hard, we charge 350.
Okay.
So that's how we do it here. Yeah, I do it.
Yeah. So here we don't lie on this channel.
So the last time we didn't talk about it.
Yeah, yeah,
It was when the dry season.
yeah. And you made mention of.
That's how we do it.
Okay.
So here we don't have much tractors.
Okay.
Even here we don't have tractors like that.
Why?
If a tractor gets plow on your farm,
Yeah.
and when and heavy rain comes or rainfall comes,
Yeah.
it always takes much of the sun away.
Okay.
So here we don't like tractors.
Because it digs too much.
It digs too much. So here we don't like tractors like that.
Okay, you can see it's more of the cow dung. This is how we use the cow dung, right?
That's the cow dung too.
Okay. I see. So they are coming
So we
here.
don't use it for only meat and money.
Okay.
But
Not only meat, but other ways of doing it too. Hey. Okay. And they are used to it. Some are not used to it, right?
Yeah, some are not used to it.
You train them.
Yeah, we train them.
Okay. Cholim puru one.
And don't worry.
In a
We lie then.
Okay. So we have like 2 now, right? Okay. They understand their job too.
That's it. They don't have problem.
Come to soccer hole.
Man,
Okay.
That's their job, so they know how to do it. They don't have problem.
Yeah, they don't have time for that.
They don't have.
So those of you who haven't seen it before, this is how we do it. After that, I will come and take over.
You come and take over.
Yeah, I will take over for my guys
No
to,
problem.
to see how it is. I've done it before, but I was a kid.
Okay,
I was a
okay.
kid
So
then.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been like over 20 years.
All right.
So I will try my best today and see how I can do it.
Okay.
All right. Wow. And guys, you can see how the bed is now. You can see. Beautiful one. All right.
So should I come for it? You call it a guy.
Yeah, I'll do that. So you come from. Okay. Zeba. So guys, I'm about to take over and see how I can do it. Cletus has helped me a lot in this thing, so Charlie. He was not prepared for this, but he has to sacrifice. So guys, that's how we do it on this channel. We learn from each other. And I'm ready to bring whatever is about livestock, especially into cattle. So Cletus is taking over. I'm going to take over.
You can go for it.
Right, so guys, let's do it. Okay. This is how I will be like. This way. Yeah. Hi. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Then go for the other one.
No, no problem.
Okay. Abdul Mohammed is taking over.
Oh, Charlie, I'm working hard.
He's
Charlie,
working
I'm
hard.
working hard here. That's showing you
Man at work.
I'm sure.
Huh? Abba. Man at work.
That's true. You're working hard here.
You're working
Guys,
hard
you're
here.
working hard. Okay. So this how I need to put this one right and go to the other side. Okay. Okay.
That's how you do it.
That's how I do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So be this one right to move. Go.
No.
Man is trying.
Pulling the root. Okay. I shouldn't pull it right.
Just
Yeah.
let it be free.
Okay. Okay. I can see my best are different from the other guy. Mine is more of a big one, right?
But it's normal.
It's normal, eh? Yeah. That's how we do it. So guys, if this is your first time seeing this. It's the help of Cletus. Is the reason why we are doing this too. So here I need to put this one to right.
Yeah.
We are not up there, but no problem.
No problem. You can get through it.
So the rope at the horns is the one turning it. And this one, the rope at the nose. So
The
guys,
one
you can
turn
see.
it.
Okay. Hey, I'm out of the rope. You can let them run. Really? So guys, notice I'm really enjoying this. Ten. I think.
Now leave that one free.
Okay. After they are 10, I think.
Now you are getting to it.
Yeah, I'm using it. I'm getting it. I've done it before, but I feel like it's been a long time.
Yeah. Em let it go cool. Yeah.
How much have you made from this thing right now? Oh, you don't put down the records.
I put down the record.
You have made a lot.
It's almost 3,000.
3,000?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money. Right? That's a lot of money. Right now, I want them to move fast.
Then go for that one.
I should go. Hey, don't let them move fast. Am I strong enough to do this?
You can do it.
Okay.
Don't put much energy on it.
Okay,
Just leave it. Uh-huh.
Okay. Hey! Okay. This is my first one. I didn't brought boots. I don't know why I didn't put on my boots. Charlie.
Emla, yel to mar bang mer ke bawala.
Yeah.
Bang mer kuno ana. Kya flawless jua.
Where's my boots? Hey, give me my boots. In my bag.
There's good there.
Okay, you just need to relax, right? I don't need to be too hard on them.
If you want fast.
Mama, you're
Jama kan wa yo. Umi la gole sa ju.
These guys are putting me into trouble. Let's go. Okay.
Onu ko en gurkula mo moto to rara le ge ba ta kina. O mo ka dikre panga bo ara. Ni la mi ave nda kina.
Okay. Guys, I need to put on my Wellington boots before we can do. I brought boots, I don't know why, Cletus. I don't know why.
Because we are in hurry.
Eh? Ha! I'm finding it difficult. It's been a long time. Let's go.
Let's go. Some more. Kita war cara.
So guys, you can see that because I'm not professional.
You leave it as they can't stand
Okay, I should just stand like this.
Yeah, just stand like that.
Okay. Okay.
Now go.
You need to learn from people. No, don't go fast. Hey, he wants to kill you. So I think you should come this way for the people to see. Yeah. You can see my bed. And then baby straw, Charlie. My beds are ugly.
Your beds are ugly.
They are very, very ugly. Charlie, my beds are ugly. They are not in the right way.
Nếu chết bằng máy cái vô đấy, bằng máy vô đấy.
Oh, but I think this one is okay.
That was okay.
Yeah. I'm beginning to be okay now. I'm tired.
You are tired.
I'll tell you. Let's go. So this is how we use cattle to plow. It's not only in the theory. Right now you can see practically how it's done. So guys, okay. So they are turning and everything.
Just right now, see how the best are.
Yeah, it moves fast. Yeah, it moves fast. Because we didn't plan for this. That's why.
The Europe. But where's the same booby? But
That's not my fault, though, because they are not following the rules. Hey guys, don't laugh at me. So right now, I'm not going to carry the thing. I just need to stand at my place, so they will turn by themselves.
and you also turn.
Okay, I'll just turn like this. Initially, okay. So how they move is how my machine also moves. You understand?
If they move fast, the machine move fast.
Okay.
If they move slow, the machine also
If they are
move
going
slow.
wayward, the machine will also go wayward. Right now, I'm even doing skill places.
One hand.
Yeah.
One hand riding.
Yeah. So how much do you charge? We spoke about that,
We
right?
spoke about it.
Okay.
It depends on the place,
Okay.
on the size of the place.
If the
You
place
don't
is
have
hard,
fish. If the place is hard and it's white, we charge 400.
400 cedis.
If the place is not hard, we charge 35.
So how do you? Let me see here, guys. You can see. Wait, guys. You can see how I'm sweating, right? So how do you measure the acre?
They
Do you call what can who measured the acre for you?
You don't measure. We use our eyes to detect on it because we already use it.
Okay.
So you just stand on it. You just stand on the land and look around.
Okay.
And get charged.
Sometimes you are also worked on there because they are already your customers.
Yeah.
So you have worked for a while and
You know
how the land is.
Yeah.
Okay. If the land is hard, 400 cedis.
400.
If it's not hard.
35.
Okay. So here is it hard or soft?
No, this place is not hard.
This is not hard. Eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is not hard.
So how much will you charge for this place?
35.
35.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm really enjoying this. When are we stopping?
Anytime.
What's the minutes now?
17 minutes.
Let's make it 20.
All right.
Let's make it 20.
Okay.
Please come here. Let me come there. Because
You are tired.
I'm tired. Huh?
Leave it and
Okay, I should leave this one. Can you do it? Can the boy do it?
Can-
Do
you
it,
can
let's
do
see. Do it, let me see.
Then hold it.
Okay. So you can see. He's a young guy. I've banned it too. You can come put it in one. So this is how we do it here in my town, the Upper East region, Bogatanga, Ghana, West Africa. That's how we do it. So you can see, when I was at this age, I used to do, but it's been a while. It's been a long time. So right now, I don't even know. I was suffering. I was fumbling. You guys saw how I was fumbling. But here you can see the rope is at the leg, right? Okay. You intentionally did it that way.
We intentionally did it that way.
Okay.
Usman, come watch you. So that there's a video, there's an island video.
What else you know?
Usman, that's all cool. Usman, say to me.
Okay. Yeah, Charlie, I'm done well. Come for a handshake. Take it. Wow. Let's go. That's how we do it here. This is how we do it here. Wow.
Move.
So, what's the cheapest way? Is it this way or the track? What is the cheapest way?
This way is the cheapest way.
Okay. This is the cheapest way.
Yeah.
How much does the track charge per an acre?
It seems it's the same, but the track charge 35 per an acre.
Okay.
But this one is always good than the track.
I see.
Uh,
I see. So they can see it line. Okay. I see.
This one, even if there's a heavy downpour, it will not disturb the farm.
Okay. If there is a heavy rainfall,
It will not disturb the farm.
because it doesn't go deep too much.
And because there's lice, the water will not.
You
Cannot
remember
move
you telling
like
me you also use the cow dung as a fertilizer?
Yeah,
So
that's
guys,
it.
you can see around.
That's the car down.
Okay. Being used as a fertilizer.
The carbon in you.
So this is how we do it here. So right now, Clayton is my cameraman. So that's
Yeah.
he's doing a great job.
I'm the cameraman
Yeah,
now.
I hope the video will be clear.
It will be clear.
Inshallah. So guys, that's how we do it. And this one, you can adjust it to anyhow you want it. Okay. So how much is this one?
600.
600 cedis.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can change the blade.
Yeah, anytime you want.
Okay.
The blade is 50 cedi.
Okay. 50 cedis.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk
Take
about
Ghana
the
cedis.
blade. Let's talk about the blade. Really. Okay.
The blade is 50 Ghana cedis.
Okay, so this is the, hey.
That's the blade.
Okay. So this is how it looks like. So is this a new one or it has
It's a
been
new
used?
one. It's a new one.
Okay. So here you can like tighten the knot.
The
You
knot
can
is-
also take it out or something like that.
Yeah.
So easy to change.
It's easy to change.
Okay. So this is how it looks like.
Minute.
Okay. So it can change at any time.
Mm.
This one can change.
Can change.
Or this one.
All of them
All of them can be
can
changed.
change. Yeah.
But they are separately.
They are separate.
Okay.
Only this one is 50 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
But this one is 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much will this one take you?
It
For-
depends on the way you want to do.
Okay.
This one, if the place is hard, even 3 or 4 days,
Okay.
it will finish.
Okay.
Yeah. The
It
blade.
depends on how
It
hard
depends
the
on
place
how
is.
the place is
Okay.
and how you use it to farm. But if you don't farm much,
The kubunga one.
if you don't farm much too, it will have to what? 2 or 3 weeks.
2 up to 3.
2 or 3 weeks.
So-
But me like my own always lasts for 4 days
4 days because
Yes.
you work hard.
because the cars are there.
Okay.
They are 3 sets.
So you can see there are a lot of there are a lot of.
Yeah.
You can show it to them. Yeah.
They are 3 sets. So if this one tired, you change 2. If
Okay.
that one 2 get tired, you change 2.
Okay.
So that's how we do it.
You have 3 sets.
I have 3 sets. So if this one become tight, I change the other 2. If the other 2 to become tight, I change different 2. so they are
So
3
this
sets.
one doesn't rest, but the animals rest.
Animals
So
rest.
how many hours do you use them per interval?
At least 3-4 hours. We
Okay.
change.
They will work for 3 hours.
Yes. and we change.
Others to use donkey.
Yes.
Okay.
Others use donkey.
But I think the donkey can't work like the car.
The donkey cannot work like the cow. But because that one can move fast
Okay.
and very small, it will get tired.
Okay.
Uh,
And the donkey, someone can use one cow and a donkey.
that's it. Can mix them.
Okay. Why are you not using the female ones?
The female one.
Because it's all males who work hard all the time.
The female ones, some don't have strong, some too, if you use them to plow, they may not give birth again.
Okay.
Yeah,
Why?
so that's the reason why.
You are using, like you are overusing them. They just need to eat and give birth.
Eat and give. The benefit of the ladies.
I see. They just eat, give birth, while these guys do the thing and work hard all the time. Wow, Charlie, this is interesting. So this is the beautiful part of my town, Upper East Burger. You guys don't appreciate us too much. They don't. I think people don't
Don't appreciate our work.
But we work hard all the time.
We work hard.
Yeah,
And our work too is good.
yeah,
So at least they have to always give us little appreciation so that we can
work
get
hard.
much dream to continue.
Yeah. The motivation is very important. The
So
motivation.
if
is
they
very
motivate us all the time,
So when it get to like, let's say this thing, let's like rainy season now that we are planting things. Does anyone helps you? Does the MP, the assemblyman comes and says, "Oh, okay, take this, maybe fete or something like that."
No.
No one does
No
that.
help come for anywhere.
You have to do it on your own.
Our own.
Some people cannot plow their land. So what do? They give it out to someone to do it.
They'll give out to someone to do it.
Because you don't have the money. Maybe you don't have the money to buy the maize or
And
the
the other
granite.
thing. And fertilizer.
Fertilizer. How much is fertilizer now?
Fertilizer is 2. The small one is 2.5 and the big one is 500.
Okay, 250 cedis. And the big one is 500.
500.
Okay.
So that's
So some people only use the cow dung.
to do if you don't have money.
Okay. But some others you can use the cow dung whilst buying the.
Buying the fertilizer in addition.
Okay. So how much fertilizer will an acre take?
It will take 2.
Is it the big one also?
The big one.
The big one.
Yeah.
So you are rich guys, so you are rich guys. That's
Moment.
I said you are rich guys, so you there. You don't like you're making money from this business. I thought you would sell them during Eid.
We're planning of that, but we can't do it again.
Is it because of their work?
Not because of the work. And I have different one for it.
Okay.
So that one.
So you have the ones that you are going to sell for the Eid.
For the egg.
Okay.
But last I told you that I have the counterpart by counterpart.
Sure.
So I have 2 for the egg. So I'm not going to disturb this one. This one maybe they will be planned for this one and the other one there.
Okay.
They are planned for next year.
Next year. So how many years have you kept this one?
This one 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Maybe 5. Then next year.
It will be 5 years.
Okay.
They have to go.
Okay.
Because this one I don't buy. When I buy it, they was get small.
Okay. You bought them, they were very young.
They were very young. But last I told you that this one I bought it 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
So when I bought them, they were very young.
Okay. So you take very good care of them.
That.
Okay. Is it the Upper East only that we do this thing? Like we use this thing to like animals to plow that way? Is it the only Upper East or others people? Because coming from Tamale, I didn't see anything like this, and I haven't seen something like this in other regions. Are we the only ones doing it?
Oh, Upper East is I can't best their best. It's just Upper East that we are doing.
Okay.
Because Tamale and those other places, they are not used to it.
Yeah, they are using.
They are used to the track.
Okay.
So Upper East here, Bolga, Bokuna, Vrungu, Zebila, Bungu, all.
Okay.
We use this one. Just a northern zone.
Yeah. The Upper East area. That's how we do it.
That's how we do it.
Wow.
We don't use tractors.
I see. So guys, that's how we do it here. If you have any message to our people out there, any message?
No message. If they see and they will just give us much or little motivation there, it's okay.
Yeah.
But me, I don't have much to say.
Okay. So guys, that's how we do it here. I came all the way from Takrady. It's not an easy journey to this place. Charlie, it's not easy traveling so far just to make others feel and see how it is done. So guys, thank you for your time and everything. I really appreciate for your love and the support you give me and everything. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Mohammed channel.
And enjoy.
Abdul Mohammed, and enjoy it.
You can call him all the time. He has given
my
his
number is already there, so anytime you want.
Give the number again.
0540582510.
Take your time. Okay, let's go.
The number is 0540
Okay.
58
Okay.
2510.
Okay.
So anytime you want, you can just call.
He is not just
Give me
into
a
this.
call.
He does the business, the livestock business.
That's my business. So
Okay.
if you want, you can just give me a call.
Okay. Then we can. Let's go one more time. Last one. We are done. We are going for the last trip. Then it's over. All right. Thank you. Last trip. You don't wear boots. Okay. That's how we make the bed. So guys, you can see. Yeah, hand workers. The other one always needs to work on the other zone, right? Yeah. So he just needs to stay while they are tending their body. Okay. While they are tending, the other guy just needs to stay. Okay. All right. Let's go. He's now learning to. So you can see how the cow dung has been used all over here. And this is the shea butter tree. Some nuts. So guys,